Jennifer Nierva is a Filipina volleyball player. She became part of the NU Lady Bulldogs in the UAAP from 2019 to 2023. Nierva joined the NU Lady Bulldogs in 2019 and she plays as the Libero of the team. Nierva took a degree in financial management at National University and currently taking AB Communications. Nierva dated Philippines player Yawi from July until December 2022. She is well known around the nation for her exceptional gaming abilities. She is a well-known volleyball player who has been active for many years. In 2022, she won the Best Libero Award in the UAAP Season 84 volleyball tournaments, and her team National University won the title after 65 years. Unlike her teammate Evie Lesina, she, Princess Robles, and Jeremy Segante played their final playing year in the UAAP Season 85. They finished in second place after losing to DLSU Lady Spikers. She plays as the libero for the National University Women's Volleyball team. They were able to win the game thanks to their team's perseverance and unity, and they hope to continue winning. Jennifer participates in volleyball for the NU Lady Bulldogs. She has also participated in games for the Rebisco Philippines team. She has also participated in a number of matches, and the squad has won a number of them as a result of their efforts. In June 2022, Jennifer came into the limelight after winning the UAAP Season 84 Women's Volleyball Finals. The name of Jennifer's father is Ferdinand Nierva, but his profession is not known. Some internet sources claimed that the name of Jennifer's mother is Jenki Gatto. Jennifer used to take care of her grandmother. Jennifer began playing volleyball at a very young age. As a professional player, Jennifer began playing volleyball in her high school. Regardless, Jennifer has demonstrated to be so proficient quite early on that everybody in the Philippines perceives her and is blissful and happy to discuss her.